to detect this all, we have introduced the microcontroller which is based on case study. That is nothing but the mix of components that will be explained by the
the components we use to detect the gaps of transfer, microcontroller like Arduino, and GPS module to fetch the exact location, and GSM module to send the notification or SMS email
to the corresponding
stations. Then ultrasound sensor also used to
detect the track. Actually, for this one, no, like more manpower is required. If one more train is coming on the same route, means the manpower who is available there, they need to just on and off the track which one is available. Signals also. So much of accidents are happening based on this.
Ma'am, the main application of the project is accuracy is in every time man landing is not perfection. So we are going for
That is also not possible.
So we are going for automation. Wireless automation protocol, ma'am. That is exactly wireless is on all the so we are using railway windows also.
The main advantages of this system, we can prevent some accidents which is caused by train, train crossing and this lane changing problems can be detected. And the main disadvantages of this train track system, if a small stone is kept on the sensor, it is also detecting that the train tracks has been disabled. You can't able to use this track. So
because that is also an obstacle, so that will be sensing that and it doesn't know.
For two, it is open. For flows, it will fall under this.
Recently, some accidents was happened in China. Everybody knows.
Because of that only, we took a case study. Let's see about this. What will be the protocols there? If we introduce something like microcontroller to detect these things out. So on that only, on this case study, train track automation we can use in this all.
Is it applicable for all the trains like passengers or
Yes,
whatever?
everything will be like the only engine machines will be moving on to then those.
See, single track is available means we will be not using like this kind of microcontroller system. Multi-track or multi-junction like in a very big station.
Junctions also you can use them because it is just for direction purpose only. So wherever you can set this.
Okay.
Ma'am, in past 10 years, slightly railway accidents are so we are mainly choosing this project for preventing the accidents. Yes, specifically.
According to 2025, we got more than 1,000 numbers made by train accidents.
Even for passengers that trying to crossing side or something, that also will be detected from 200 to 300 meters before even you can do it. Like
200 to
300 meter distance.
See, every 200, 300 meter, if you are just keeping this microcontroller, then everything will be get detected and it will be just given to
Animals also crossing those borders, that also can be utilized.
can be monitored in a station. Any other thing you want to discuss in this one? Say for example, if you are just considering in the project and all, if you are just going to do, then how will you track this one? Like instead of train track, where will you go? Then what are the things you will be just doing? If I just want to do a project like this, and then how come?
There is also available in blind food, but like the blind shoes are given. Certain business also available in blind food, but like the blind shoes are given. Certain business something upside is happening, it will be detected.
Just indicates vibrate sensor or LEDs.
So you don't have to have 100% to guide those blind people.
you can have your own system, so you
If
can
they-
sense what's the object inside you.
If they are deaf and dumb too, you can keep vibrating sensor. You can sense that.
That is, you can keep it in your hand or watch.
From shoes also you can attach.
And also they will be having something like hand stick.